Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Robin. If you're returning, thank you for watching this video. So I'm going to be filming as much as I can throughout the month of December. So today is kind of just like more of a reset day in my life kind of thing. So yeah, let's get the day started. Hi guys, okay, so it's a little dark now because it's later, much later. I went to my doctor's appointment and it took a lot longer than I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. I also just went and stopped and got some sweet potato fries because I was starving. I'm just in the parking lot at the grocery store. I went in. I don't think I'm gonna do a grocery haul today just because it's getting late, and when I get home I really just want to focus on starting my workout and then making dinner. But I did bring my coffee with me today, the one that you guys saw me make this morning, and honestly still good. Just more of an iced coffee now, which is totally fine for me because I love iced coffee. Anyway, but yeah, that's the plan. So I'm gonna go home. I'm going to walk my dog and then work out and then get dinner started. My arm already gets tired from vlogging. But yeah, I mean, I thought today was gonna be more eventful because I was planning to go to Nespresso, but the time just, as I've been saying, got away from me. So I'm gonna go to Nespresso maybe Thursday. Today's Tuesday, and I am gonna try to vlog every day, even if it's like, it might be boring, it might be repetitive, I don't know, that's just my life. But I'm gonna try to vlog every day because I think I've decided that I'm gonna do the 12 days of Vlogmas, or 12 days of Christmas. I don't really know what I should call it, but anyways, that's the update for right now, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. Okay, so I definitely failed at vlogging. I got home, I just did my workout. I did a lower body workout today, and an abs finisher. I always add on an abs finisher at the end of every workout, and now I'm just gonna clean up all of my workout stuff and I'm going to go make dinner. I think I'm gonna make like a chicken stir fry fajita thing. I'm trying to eat healthier, work out 5 days a week, you know, just get back on my healthy routine grind. So that is the plan. So I'm gonna go also change before I make dinner, and yeah. Hi guys, so it is the next day and I completely failed at vlogging yesterday, but it's okay. It's a new day. It is Wednesday, December 7th, and I am ready for the day. I'm gonna go change my clothes so that I can do a workout. I'm gonna do a weights versus cardio workout today, with an abs finisher, because I always add on an abs finisher to every workout that I do. Then after that, I'm going to edit and upload a vlog, and I might make a smoothie. I'm not sure, I haven't decided yet, like a protein smoothie after my workout. So edit and upload a vlog, and then I'm gonna be going on a walk with my dog, and we're also gonna go to like this Christmas display thing, but I don't know if I'm gonna vlog it or not, but we'll see. And yeah, then I'm just gonna have like a chill Wednesday. Basically, it's a chill Wednesday. So right now I'm gonna go change and get ready to work out. I'm currently wearing this cute little penguin. I'm currently wearing this set from Princess Polly. I don't remember what it's called, but it's a lounge set. Well, for me anyways. So it comes with this like little cropped top, and then it comes with these sweatpants. They don't have any pockets. but they're like this waffle print. It's really cute, and I wear this set literally all the time. I live in this. So anyway, I'm gonna go get changed to work out. Okay, it's a lot later now, and I'm making dinner, and I just want to show you guys what I'm making. So I'm having this gluten-free pasta. They're like little lasagna noodles, and it is corn, brown rice, and quinoa. And I guess, is this the brand, or is that the brand? I'm not sure. But then I'm gonna saute up some spinach, tomatoes, and shrimps. And on here I just have olive oil. We've got some fresh garlic, and then a little bit of onion powder and chili flakes and black pepper. And I'm gonna saute this and then probably put it on top of the pasta, and it's just gonna be a really good dinner. Not completely like unhealthy, because we have all of the vegetables and we have a healthy protein here. So as I said, I'm trying to eat healthier. So yeah. Hello everyone. So it's the next day. I've been a horrible vlogger. But basically today I just had an appointment, and my dog is here. He has been with me a lot lately, but anyway, I did my hair in like this half up today. Not that anyone really cares, but I am waiting for my mom. She's in the grocery store. There's lots of lights going on right now and people staring at me, but it's okay. And then I'm gonna head home. I think I'm gonna make salmon and broccoli and squash for dinner. That sounds like a vibe. I'm trying to eat healthier. So, yeah. And my plan tomorrow is also very chill. I'm gonna stay home, do some work, edit, and work out. I haven't worked out yet today, but I don't know if I'm going to, just because like it's getting late. It's already 6 p.m. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm sorry if these few days of my life are a little bit boring, but I'm just trying to upload as much as I can in the month of December, because I know it's Vlogmas and I'm not doing Vlogmas, but yeah, I'm trying to do something. Oh, also on my way home, I'm gonna look at the Christmas lights in my area. There's a cute little Christmas display, so I'm gonna go look at that. And then also later I'm gonna make a hot chocolate, and I have an advent calendar. It's a Ferrero advent calendar, which I've been opening every day. I don't know why I haven't shown it to you guys, but I'll show it to you guys when I open it tonight. Yeah, so I guess just a cozy winter night in my life. Okay, so I bought this gingerbread house yesterday. Well, really, it's the village, because it's got a tree and the little people. Oh no, it's not the village. This is the house. Never mind. This is just the house, but I'm gonna decorate this weekend. And then the advent calendar that I was telling you guys about is this one here. It's the Ferrero Rocher. So I'm gonna open today's a little bit later. And then I just made a hot chocolate with some marshmallows. And I also put up my Christmas decorations in my room. Let's go see that. Okay, so up here I just put these really cute little string lights, and they are in the shape of, I don't think you can see that, but they're in the shape of little Christmas trees, and they're so cute. It just keeps my room looking really festive, and every time I walk in, I'm happy. I have not started Christmas shopping, not even one thing, and it is Friday, December 9. But it's okay. We still have a bunch of time. So decided to go and look at Christmas lights. There's a park close to where I live, like maybe a 10-minute drive from me, where they have like a whole Christmas light display. So I'm getting ready right now to go there. I'm trying to figure out what I should change into, do my hair and makeup, and I want to wear like a tracksuit to be comfortable and warm. Like, I don't know which one, but I'm also gonna make a hot chocolate to bring with me, and yeah, that's the plan. And then I'm not sure what I'm doing after that, but I'll update you guys and show you that. Okay, so I'm in the car and I'm on the way to the lights. Turn around my camera. So I've got my dog here, he's wearing his jacket. I brought a snack because I always get hungry when I leave my house and I'm trying to make healthier options. So I brought the Made Good apple cinnamon granola minis, and then I have my hot chocolate here with oat milk in it. And yeah, so let's go see the lights. Okay, so I got home, I ate dinner, and I just made a tea, and I'm gonna get ready for bed now, and that is the end of Saturday, December 10. I also realized that I forgot to change my calendar today, so I'm gonna do that, and I will read it, and then I'm gonna go. Collect kids' socks, mittens, hats, and drop them off at a local daycare center for winter playtime. It's basically just a, well, here it shows better. It's a daily act of kindness calendar, so it just gives you like different ideas of things to do every day. Like yesterday was buy festive stamps and send out your holiday cards on time, so I did that. But yeah, it just gives you ideas of little things like that you can do for daily acts of kindness, and it's very inspirational, and that's why I love doing or like having calendars like these to open every day and kind of get this positive energy to start the day and think of helping others in some kind of way, not just like yourself. I'm so slouching so bad. Anyways, I'm gonna go and I will see you guys tomorrow.